Hey, come on in here to the recteq showroom. We got a product that we'd like to spotlight for you today. Make sure you put your comments in the comment section down below and smash that share button. We'll give you 3 seconds to do it. 3, 2, 1.
Smash it!
But this is product spotlight, right, Chef John?
That's right, buddy.
One of our favorite and most watched shows.
For sure.
So make sure you smash that share button. Make sure you set your notifications. That way you know when we go live. But today's a little bit different. We're talking about a product, the RT-B380 Bullseye, available at recteq.com. But we're also talking about a promotion right now that we've got going at recteq.com. If you purchase yourself an RT700 or 2500, you can get this amazing grill, the top of the line. A grill unlike any other grill out there on the market right now for $100 off. That's right. With the purchase of an RT700 or 2500, you can get a Bullseye $100 off right now at recteq.com. Make sure you go check it out. Go check out that new recipe section while you're there, and scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Put your email in where it says sign up for the newsletter. That way you can receive awesome emails talking about these amazing promotions, talking about these amazing products. But if you have any questions, put them down below. Let's get to the RT-B380. It's available at recteq.com right now. Stainless steel, inside and out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the beautiful barrel. We've got a 8-gauge fire pot right there with a ceramic ignition system. That ceramic ignition system is going to give you a ton of life. It will last much longer than the antiquated metal igniter rods out there, okay? We've got a deflector shield. So there's only one piece of metal between the meat and the heat, and that piece of metal has holes in it, so you're going to get more of that direct flame action, okay? You can set these bad boys up for more indirect cooking, so you can do like Boston butts, briskets, ribs, things like that. But it makes amazing hamburgers, chicken thighs, steaks, chicken wings, legs, all parts of the chicken. Again, Chef John, you got any good questions out there?
Yeah, they are talking about the maintenance on this thing. What kind of warranty comes on this bad boy?
All right, so we've got a 2-year recteq factory-backed warranty. Again, the maintenance, great question, Chef John. So what I like to do, get on in here. I take my grate and I just put it right there when I'm getting ready to clean this bad boy. Then take my deflector and set it right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now my grill's holding all of that stuff for me. What I do is like to take my hand in here, and about every 4 to 5 cooks, I'll take my hand in here, I'll scoop out whatever little ash is in here, and I'll throw it down here at the bottom barrel. I'll only clean out this bottom barrel until it really needs it and it starts really building up. You want to make sure that you have a good clean fire pot because it's all about airflow. This fire pot has holes in it, so we need that blower fan. We need it to push air in here to create the flame and create the heat source for this grill. The igniter is not the heat source, so it's only on to light that fire. Once the fire's lit, it cuts off. Again, you need good airflow, so you want to clean out the fire pot about every 4 to 5 cooks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Leave that ash down there at the bottom. That ash will help any grease that drips down. It'll help you clean it up a little bit later. It'll reduce the surface area. It'll also create a layer of insulation, okay? But easy peasy lemon squeezy. Put your deflector shield in. You can see how we have a little lip here. You always want that lip to be up. You never want to put your deflector shield in here like this because it will restrict more airflow. Well, I guess for a low and slow, that would be a really good feature.
You figured something out right now.
We just figured something out right there. But we're going to set it up for a hot and fast cook. When I put my deflector in, I always like to make sure that it's in there evenly. That way we get a good even heat distribution throughout the whole entire grill. Then we've got our plated grate there, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hit it with a grill brush. It'll easily clean it. Over here to the hopper, 15-pound hopper that'll hold about 15 pounds of pellets. Right there, we've got the Pid Controller down here. It comes standard with a platinum tip meat probe. That temperature will pop up right here on your display. You can turn this grill from 200 degrees all the way up to 500 degrees plus in 25-degree increments. You've got a hole right here, so you can feed your temperature probe in there as well. But again, this thing heats up in less than 10 minutes. It's ready in less than 10 minutes. It's super portable, so it makes a great companion to the 700 or 2500. Because again, I'm not going to take the 700 or 2500 to the lake. You know what I'm saying? I will take this son of a gun to the lake or a ball game or something. You know, you can absolutely pick it up.
That's what I'm talking about.
No, I'm just joking. But handles, so it's easily portable. You got a bottom shelf down there as well. And again, this is an amazing grill, 2-year warranty. Originally $399 at recteq.com, but you can go and purchase a $700 or $2,500 right now and get this grill for $100 off. Good question, John.
Yeah, let's talk about pellets real quick. What kind of pellets do we need to put in the grill to get it to get to those really high hot temperatures?
So for me, I like 100% hardwoods. You don't really want to purchase pellets that have filler woods in there. Those filler woods are not going to give you the BTUs that you really want. So we recommend the Kingsford hickory pellets if you want to get this grill as hot as possible. Now for me, I don't cook over 550 degrees. If I want to sear a steak, I'm doing it at 500 or 550 degrees.
You don't ever use the riot mode, really?
I do use the riot mode to clean this bad boy out.
I know you
know,
do.
when we get a bunch of grease down there at the bottom.
I've seen you do it.
If it's super nasty and it needs to be cleaned up, I'll just turn that bad boy on riot mode and it'll burn everything out on the inside. You can go in there and then vacuum out everything, clean it out, give it a good scrub down, and it's good as new. It also retains a lot of that seasoning down there, you know, when you let that grease strip down. But again, that's the only thing I use the riot mode for. Riot mode equals hot as Hades.
That's right.
And I don't need to cook a steak over 550 degrees. I don't want it to be burnt
Right.
to a crisp on the outside and raw on the inside.
I like to get to the sear kit though, Jody. I'll put it on there and
Yep.
crank that thing up to riot mode on the flat side and get
Right.
me a nice sear on
Very
those
good point.
steaks.
Very good point. That's right. We also have sear kits for these grills. We also have covers. We also have rub and sauce bundles that go great with these. So when you're out there and you're purchasing that RT-700, RT-2500, don't forget you get this bad boy for $100 off. Available at recteq.com right now. Again, 2-year warranty. This thing's bad at the bone. Our weekday workhorse. My Monday through Thursday grill is this bad boy right here. And again, the reason why it makes a good companion is that if I'm doing something low and slow on that RT-700, RT-2500, and I want to get a quick sear on it, I can turn this bad boy on. Boom, move it from one grill to another, quick sear, easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? Another good thing is if I'm filling up my 700, you know, I can do you know, sides or proteins on this bad boy.
That's right.
And turn it down low and slow, and we can hold stuff as well. So it's super versatile. And again, I'm not taking the 700 or 2500 to the lake.
To your friend's house.
To a friend's house. I'm bringing this bad boy.
Oh yeah,
because again,
sure.
we can do everything on it. Again,
Everything.
and it heats up super quick. Again, when I get home, I can turn this bad boy on. It's ready in less than 10 minutes.
That's
Easy
right.
peasy, lemon squeeze.
And that's 500 degrees ready.
That's 500 degrees, well, 400 degrees-ish to me. Again, not cooking that high, John. Silly goose. But guys, don't forget, we got an amazing episode of Fun Day Friday. Tomorrow, we are continuing camping week.
That's right.
We really do appreciate each and every one of you for smashing that share button. We love you. We thank you. If you need us, hit us up. Follow me on all social media at BBQ Dad Jody. He's at Chef Greg Muller. This guy behind you is at Chef John Pinnell on all social media. Hit us up via email. As well, Chef John at RecTech, Chef Greg at RecTech, Jody at recteq.com. We love you. We thank you. What else, John? Anything else? Am I missing anything?
No.
Other good promotions?
No, you killed it.
Oh, and the pellet bundles.
Oh,
Don't forget,
yeah.
we still got the pellet
that's
bundles.
right.
We're rolling the pellet bundles. So make sure you go to recteq.com right now and check out all of those amazing deals, the newly revamped recipe section, and sign up for the newsletter. Smash that share button, guys. We love you. We thank you. God bless you. God bless the United States of America. And we'll see you
At the RecTech. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. RecTech lifestyle.